Natural gas markets continue to drop again on Monday morning. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The natural gas markets continue to drift lower, and in this environment, I don't think it's a huge surprise. We are in the middle of summer, and that typically is the weakest time of year for natural gas. The only thing that typically will lift natural gas is heat waves in the middle of summer. Otherwise, you have a generally soft and squishy market. That being said, natural gas will rise once we get to colder temperatures, and therefore I'm willing to buy little bits and pieces of an ETF position and build up an investment. Another reason that I think natural gas should continue to be soft is just simply because anything and everything with risk appetite is being sold off on the impression that we are going into a massive recession. If that's the case, demand will drop, and therefore you have natural pressure to the downside anyway. Keep in mind, natural gas is a major fuel used in producing electricity. So this suggests that people believe that the economy is going to slow down while the demand for natural gas to heat homes will be very weak. Unless we get a heat wave, I think you've got a couple of months before we start to turn things around. That being said, for myself, I'll buy 15, 20 shares of an ETF occasionally just to build up a position. But again, that's an investment. That's not a short-term trade. As far as shorting is concerned, it's difficult to do it all the way down here. So I just choose to play the cycle trade and let it go at that. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.